Take boiled potatoes, add spices, and mash them with a potato masher. Stir the mixture and set it aside. Cook the boneless marinated chicken, then let it cool. Lightly brush the silicone mold with oil. I added a tablespoon of parsley to the potato mixture. Take a small portion of the potato mixture and press it into the mold. Shape the mixture into cup shapes. Transfer the mold to the oven or air fryer and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the potato cups from the mold and bake again until golden and crispy. Fill each potato cup generously with the prepared chicken tikka. Drizzle a sauce of your choice and top each cup with shredded mozzarella cheese. Microwave until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly, about 1 to 2 minutes. Your mouth-watering chicken shawarma potato cups are ready to be enjoyed. I garnish them with fresh mint leaves and a drizzle of chili sauce. Love this recipe? Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!